My 2008 GMC Yukon needed new brakes, so I upgraded to these 16-inch rotors and 6-piston Brembo calipers off of a 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe police pursuit vehicle. As you can see, these brakes are massive, and I'll show you how to install them on your 2007 through 2014 full-size GM SUV. You can find the complete parts list in the description below. The best prices were on rockauto.com. I chose to use only GM genuine and ACDELCO parts, but you can save a little money by using other brands for the rotors and pads. Review your owner's manual to safely raise and secure the vehicle on jack stands before removing the wheel. Remove the caliper bolts and support the old caliper with a hanger or bungee, keeping the weight off the brake line until you switch it to the new caliper later. Once you remove the pads, you may need WD-40 and a long pipe for leverage to break the bolts and remove the caliper bracket. Use a T30 torque socket to remove the bolt securing the rotor. A mallet may be useful to remove the old rotor. Take a screwdriver to pry up the back end of this brake line bracket. Now the new caliper will not sit flush, so you need to test fit it and mark where you need to remove some material. Then take your angle grinder and grind away. Now the new caliper sits flush. Remove rust from the hub with a wire brush and then fit the new rotor to the hub. Take one of the lugs and tighten it all the way to hold the rotor in place. Then secure the rotor to the hub with the T30 Torx bolt. Insert and lubricate the brake pad bracket. Then lubricate and insert the brake pad pins from the inside of the caliper out. Lubricate the backside of the brake pads and secure them in the calipers with the brake pad pins. Tap the pins in place and the caliper is ready to be installed. Space the caliper with this fender washer and secure it with the new caliper bolt that comes packaged with thread locker. The calipers are on the correct side if the brake fluid bleeding nipples are facing upwards. Remove the old caliper, banjo bolt, and banjo bolt washers from the brake line. A new banjo bolt is necessary because it has a different thread pattern than the old bolt. Place new banjo bolt washers on each side, then secure it to the caliper. Make sure to clean up any remnants of brake fluid that might have dripped on the brake parts. Then bleed the brakes from the inside bleeder to the outside bleeder. The 2021 Tahoe PPV came with 20-inch rims with a plus 28 offset, meaning that my 20-inch rims with a plus 31 offset didn't fit. But that's just the excuse I needed to get some new 22-inch chrome 5-spoke rims with a plus 19 offset. Not only do these rims look amazing, but they provide plenty of room to accommodate these massive brakes, which are a great performance bargain compared to other big brake kits. And when you drive a 2.5 to 3 ton vehicle, you want to make sure it stops. Comment below if you want to see me test just how well these brakes stop compared to stock.